Hello everyone, my name is Bhagwat Datra Bangar. My subject physics, class BSc second year semester 4th. College name Let Pushpadevi Patil Arts and Science College Risod. And my topic name is renewable energy sources. What is renewable energy? Energy that can be used without reducing its availability in the future. Natural forces, heat, radiation, motion. Chemical energy from biomass, biofuels. Biomass is included because it can be replaced in a human time frame. There are 6 types of renewable energy sources: hydropower, marine energy, solar energy, wind energy, geothermal, and bioenergy, and other renewable energy. Hydropower. Water drives turbines to make electricity. 2 types: run-off river, storage reservoir. Characteristics: high investment, low cost, easy to control. Social environmental issues: can be used for storage. Marine energy. Energy from oceans, mechanical, thermal, chemical energy. 5 main types: tidal energy, ocean energy, wave energy, ocean thermal energy conservation OTEC. Salinity gradient power, still large at development stage but with a significant potential. Tidal energy, mechanical power used for electricity generation, used in a location with a large tidal range, similar to hydropower but more for baseload power. Some well established facilities, other new ones being developed. Ocean energy, mechanical power used for electricity generation, turbines of many different designs, baseload power without a major construction of dams and barriers, pilot scale projects under development. Solar energy, energy from the sun converted directly into electricity or used as a thermal heat energy. Solar photovoltaic, solar PV, solar thermal, concentrated solar power CSP, other solar energy, third largest source of electricity from renewable and developing rapidly. Solar photovoltaic, light converted directly into electricity, rapidly falling cost, variable but abundant resources with a few issues, scalable, good for off-grid, growing rapidly in many countries. Wind energy, wind drives turbines to make electricity. 2 types: onshore, offshore. Characteristics: low cost onshore, variables, resources, some environmental issues, scalable. Geothermal energy, steam and hot water taken from a well and used to produce electricity and heat, generally large scale, cost effective and used for baseload power production. Variable geothermal resources are quite limited. Bioenergy. Bioenergy is energy derived from non-fossil materials of biological origin. There are 3 main types: solid biofuels and renewable waste, biogas, gaseous biofuels, liquid biofuels. Bioenergy is produced from the combustion of biofuels and has many different uses: heat, electricity, transport. Liquid biofuels, biogasoline and biodiesel, conventional and advanced aviation fuels. Other characteristics: made using thermal, chemical and biological processes, used mainly for transport competitions for feedstocks energy efficiency. Other renewable source: heat pumps, ground source, water source, air source. Characteristics: used for heat production or both heating and cooling, works like an air conditioner, high investment but low running cost, and hydrogen fuel cell coming maybe.